YouTube, Bixus1616 here, and today I will be doing a update video. Sorry it's a little late, my screencast-o-matic wasn't working, so I just got it fixed today, so that's why I'm doing it today. And I'm sorry I didn't do the last two updates because I was in Michigan and Wisconsin for 2 weeks. So I was in Wisconsin for part of the 2 weeks and Michigan for the other part. Actually, my first time actually visiting Michigan. I went there before, but it wasn't really a visit, it was just something else. And I just got my new pet, actually just right now. Just bought it and had put clothes on it. So let's start with the update. So pet rhinos are here. Rhinos. In celebration of the rhinos of Jama returning from their travels, pet rhinos have come to Jama. These fun new pets are waiting to be adopted in the diamond shop. So pick yours up. The beta party. You are invited to the beta party, Jama's oldest new party. The beta party's location and items were only available during Animal Jam's beta testing period. But now they're back for everyone to experience, so head to the beta party and have a fun blast from the past. I actually went to it, but I'll tell you what it, whatever. We heard a rumor that a new animal is coming to Jama, but what kind of animal will it be? There are a number of clues hidden throughout the Jama journal. So I can't wait until the next animal. A guy, he was in Jama Township and he said it was an otter, but I doubt it's an otter. But who knows? Accessory contest winner. Introducing the ribbon scarf, the winning entry of the accessory contest. These new scarves are available for all jammers and can be found in Jama or Jam Mart clothing. Okay. Everybody's wearing it. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people are wearing those now. Well, you could actually click. Cool. Animal Jam Official Insider's Guide. The Animal Jam Official Insider's Guide has arrived. It is filled with hundreds of pages of secrets, tips, facts, photos, stories, and so much more. I can't talk today. Visit the Daily Explorer, to see where you can get your own official insider's guide. It's an advertisement. So, the item contest. I actually looked at all of them. They're actually pretty cool. I guess if you click one, so I don't really like this one too much. So, whatever. I could do it on my other account. HHQ wants you to choose the next set of awesome den items that will come to Jama. Do you want to turn your den into an ice cream parlor, a hair salon, or fill it up with Egyptian treasure? Click the button below to vote for your favorite set. Well, since I already voted, I'm going to go on my other account and vote. So I'm on my other account right now, and I am going to vote. So here's the ice cream parlor. It's pretty cool, actually. There's ice cream. Oh, it looks. Oh, I see. Should the ice cream parlor be in the restaurant? That could be somewhere else. I have a spa at my den right now. So I like the hair salon and the ice cream parlor, but I really like the hair salon, so I voted in my other account that. Okay, so back to this. Oh, whoops. Oh wait, no. Already read that. So hard mode. In Too Deep, Jama's newest ocean adventure can now be played in hard mode, featuring greater challenges and new prizes. So I actually haven't played the actual Into Deep yet, but I do want to play it sometime. So more videos. You asked for it, and now, and you got it. New videos. My gosh, my mouse is glitching. New videos are now coming to Jama every single day. So be sure to check out this pure, I think it's Serapia, don't correct me on that, theater, Brady's theater, and I don't, Tierney's, Tierney, sorry, I can't, Tierney, whatever, her theater, every day to see what's new. So, first let's check out the pet rhinos in the diamond shop. I was get here to fast to stores, so I just click that button since it's easier instead of trying to click into Jama Township all the time just to get to one of the stores. I think it's much easier that way. So, all the pets, you get the cute little pet rhinos. Make mine purple, white, and make it, their ears are flying, which is kind of weird looking, but it's still okay. It's got a unicorn horn, gold, stars. So, yeah, they're right here. Oh, cool, I have 4 diamonds. Actually, did not notice that. So the beta party is going on in 2 hours. It's actually not that good. It doesn't have cool betas like the ones. I only have one beta, like that item, like this right here. But I went to it. It doesn't have that many good beta items now. So that's my only beta, if it even counts as a beta. But I really like it. I think it looks good here. I'm actually going to change to my spa right now. That's why I want the hair. What does cut? Yeah. So it's right here in my spa, but the this is all pretty much not the best, but the hair design thing would really be cool with it. So so you could check that out when you can. So I can't really do anything about the new animal. Just say it's a new animal and go on. So the um, accessories. So here's the ribbon scarf, which you could change the color a lot. Actually looks cool because then, like, I'm sure at least one person has it on. Um, so it kind of looks like, oh my gosh, yeah, can't find person with it on, and it's way too crowded in there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that's the ribbon scarf. Okay, like everything. I don't. Why is everything full? Am I one of those servers? Bleh. Oh, I did not notice that you could get through there. That's cool. That's a faster way to get to the adventures. Well, while we're here, or I'm here, I'm just going to do the hard mode thing. Ugh. I hate when it loads so slow. Well, not really loading slow, I just don't like waiting here long. Okay, I guess it takes me up here then. Alright. Ah. So, oh yeah. There's Bubble of Trouble there. Oh yeah, the whale guy. So, I don't care if I have to be level 1. Nah. Well, know it has a hard mode, but there, yeah. Mm, so we could just go here. Hmm. Cool. So you could get on Barnes and Nobles or Barnes and Noble and Amazon. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And well, you could vote for it if you haven't already. Well, that. And let's check out the new um, videos. Okay, so new saving koala habitat one. So it'll just say new when, well, it's new. I think that's all for this video. I think, it was actually shorter than other ones I do. You're just gonna, well, comment, like, and subscribe for new videos. Bye.